The government is considering placing Lebanon under alert level 4 due to the ongoing conflict between the Hezbollah and Israeli forces. If this is implemented, all Filipinos in the Middle Eastern country are mandated to go back to the Philippines. Lebanon is currently under level 3, which allows voluntary repatriation for Filipinos. The Foreign Affairs Department is closely monitoring the situation in Lebanon.
We are actually preparing na for in that eventuality kung talagang if it comes to that. Raising alert level 4 is we'll just have to see, we'll have to monitor. Kasi nga po, voluntary repat. Ilan lang po ang nag-avail. How can we force people to, to go into these shelters kung ayaw naman nila?
Out of the 11,000 Filipinos living in Lebanon, over 700 of them are already requesting for repatriation. The Philippine Embassy in Lebanon reminded Filipinos there about the dangers of the ongoing conflict.
Recently, there have been sonic booms. Naririnig yung pag-fly ng mga Israeli jets. Talagang sinasadya nila na pag they go low in the city, may sonic boom, nababasag yung mga glasses ng windows.